Here is how to set up a contractor pay schedule in Gusto. Once you are logged into Gusto, go to the left-hand menu and click Time and Attendance. This opens the area where scheduling and tracked work hours are managed. From there, click Scheduling under the Time and Attendance section to move into the calendar view for shifts. On the scheduling page, find the contractor or team member you want to place on the schedule. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct row before adding anything, especially if you manage several people with similar roles. Then move across that row to the date you want to schedule and click the plus icon. That opens the Add a Scheduled Shift panel. At the top of that panel, look at the Assign to field and confirm that the correct person is selected. This is where you verify that the shift is being created for the contractor or team member you intended to schedule. Next, go to the Start section. Select the start date for the shift, then enter the start time. After that, move to the End section, select the end date, and enter the end time. If the shift begins and ends on the same day, both dates will match. If it runs overnight, make sure the end date reflects the next day so the schedule is recorded correctly. If the shift includes a break, click Add Break and enter the break details shown in the panel. This allows the schedule to reflect time away from work within that shift. If no break is needed, you can leave that part alone and continue. Under Other Shift Details, select the appropriate job. This step ties the shift to the correct work assignment, so it is worth checking that the job selection matches the work the contractor is scheduled to do. If you need to include more context, go to the Notes field and enter any additional information there. You can use this space for details that help clarify the shift for the person scheduled. When everything looks correct, click Save as Draft to add the shift to the schedule without publishing it yet. If you need to create another shift with similar details, click Save and Duplicate instead. That keeps the current setup and creates a copy you can adjust for the next scheduled time. After saving, return to the scheduling page. When you are ready for the scheduled shift to go live, click Publish Drafts. This publishes the shift you just created, so it becomes part of the active schedule in Gusto. Thanks for watching. Your contractor pay schedule is now created and published in Gusto.